we're doing well. The environment in Wellington at the moment is pretty tough. I think it's tough everywhere. Retail's not in a great space, Wellington's not in a great space, but we'll come out of this. Yeah, I couldn't do it without the people that I'm working with. Michael Petrie, born and raised Wellington, 57 years old, business owner, Cuba Barbers. I've been operating this business for since 2011. I think what's so amazing about Wellington is its diversity, and I think the community's had a massive effect on me in more so the last 10 years than ever before. It's a barber shop, but not in the old sense of the word. It's a 21st century, all-inclusive, unisex environment where people feel safe and welcome, can enjoy being here. They look forward to coming in here, and the person generally leaves, can come in not feeling great and walk out the door feeling really good on a different path, having come in not in a great space and leaving on a very, very good one, or having helped them and help you too, because it helps you. You're sharing with someone and helping them helps you. For me, it's very empowering. It's like I feel at home, and I feel like I'm making a contribution to their lives. They're contributing to mine, because we have a business that relies on that connection. So it's very diverse in that regard. Mum and a 2-year-old, a 10-year-old to someone that's at school, university, and then you've got corporates, you've got hospitality, you've got creators, artists, then you've got seniors, and you've got people that are coming, from quite a long way out of town to come see us here because they just love the experience and look forward to visiting. I think it's taught me just to have be a lot more open-minded and stay open-minded. I remember seeing a quote about, to try and keep that young essence about yourself, you have to look at the curious side of things and have an open mind towards things, and that's where you never stop learning or being inspired by people. Well, it's wonderful to be part of Beyond Cuba Street, be a part of an amazing community on Cuba Street. There are so many cool businesses, and I know a lot of the owners in the street.